You guys, you got Mike here from Mike'sMoneyTips.com, coming at you with another quick way to make money. I don't think this video is going to be super long, but I've got a kind of unique way to make money. I hadn't seen a whole lot of people talking about it, and I don't know about y'all, but I really think cryptocurrency may be the new money of the future. So that's what you make on this, but you can always convert it back into cash into your PayPal account. So if y'all like what you hear, please like and subscribe. Let me know what else you might want to know about. So without further ado, let's get going. This is the website I was talking about. It's Lathium. They are a simple task website that will show you how, will give you simple tasks to do that will pay you in a form of cryptocurrency. With this site, you can do all these simple jobs and get paid, whatever their person's paying. Like this one right here is 15 Lathium coins. Matter of fact, this one's 25, that one's 22, this one's 10, 20. You can actually make decent money with this every day, because these are very simple tasks. You don't have to do a whole lot. Like this one right here, watch playlist and reapply every day. You can do this one every day, and it's 4 Lathium coins, I'm sorry, every day. This one right here is actually Bitcoin, and they're paying just over 20 of them. Let's see what this is. To find out what it is, you go to Now Hiring. You saw where I went and clicked. I know I didn't tell you. Basically what you do is predict, learn, earn Bitcoin with zero risk. Step 1, you open to persons who are eligible countries. See step 10, at least 18-year-old. Go here, click. This one right here is actually a little bit. Oh, this one right here, you got to refer members. Hold on. Let's go find the easier one that pays better. And then I'll show y'all something else too. That one's only one, but all you gotta do is subscribe to his YouTube channel. So, and he pays in 10 minutes. That's not bad for something that simple. Let's do this one right here. I looked at it a while ago. It's a really simple thing. As you see, you get 25 Lathium coins. You join this website, register and confirm. Click here. They're easy. 10 euros for free after verifying your identity. You can earn up to 100 euros for free showing this to 10 friends. So if you get 10 friends to sign up, you can make 100 euros, which depending on where you're coming from, like me, that'd be $130 or so, because I'm from the US. Log in, submit documents, verification, $10 to join. And all you got to do is send them a screenshot of it, where that's all you got to do to get paid. Get verified and send them a screenshot, and you get 25 Lathium coins. Now this is the exchange. This is going to look weird, but it's not. This is more like a Forex screen to show you what the cryptocurrency is doing right now. Like me, I'm about changing it into the Bitcoin. But you can buy Bitcoin, you can sell Bitcoin, you can do all sorts of trades here if you want to. I had to go back up and I'll show you. Yeah, I'm trying to scroll back up. Hold on. Come on. See, here you got, well, there's Litecoin, USD, which is, only like, what is that, 3/10 of a penny, but I mean, it still adds up. And a lot of these that you can do is very short task, like go on to YouTube and subscribe to the channel and send that, that's all you have to do. That take you what, less than 2 minutes? Well, here, let's go to the Litecoin for the Lithium Litecoin, because I don't see the Bitcoin here. Well, maybe I gotta scroll up. Yeah, right here. See, this is the Bitcoin here. And if you know what you're doing, you can actually make money buying and selling it here. But here's all the different coin options that they actually give you to be paid out of. You got the Lithium coin, which is from this website, but you can get it paid out in Bitcoin, Ethereum, of course, dollar, Litecoin. Don't really know these other three. So, but okay, you say, well, I don't want Bitcoin or whatever else. You can come up here and go to a website called bestchange.com. Here you can buy and sell Bitcoin. You can do whatever, and it will actually give you PayPal money. So it is the easiest way in the world to get started with this. If I remember, I'll leave a link to both these in the description. Basically with this right here, though, you can earn probably about $20 an hour with the right jobs that you do. But here again, you're going to trade time for money. It's just like any other job. See, this one pays 22, 20, 10, 3, which, if they're 500 or so, I really wouldn't do them. I'd look for 700 plus on these meters. That way they're good. See, like this gold check mark is a good sign too. It's a beautiful thing. See this one right here, like and subscribe channel. It's two of the Lithium coins. I mean, it's real simple jobs. I mean, these jobs take you less than 2 minutes to do. But if y'all are looking for something a little more passive, check out the first link in the description. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Remember, I put out videos 5 days a week, Monday through Friday. Later.